to the ignition and step on the gas. Let's go.
What a going, guys. Welcome back to another Let's Go JA Tours, and today we're going to be checking out the Colbeck Castle ruins in St. Catherine, Jamaica. So don't forget to like and comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe to see more tours of the beautiful country of Jamaica. Now relax, drink a red stripe, and enjoy this tour. So the origins of the Colbeck Castle are shrouded in mystery. There is very little reference of it in the early records, but it is believed to have been built at the end of the 17th century when Jamaica was seized by the British. The Colbeck Castle is among the oldest plantation house in Jamaica, and we see that this grey brick 3-story building was initially built as a moat fortress, and it is designed along with the lines of the 17th century Italian villa with elaborate colonnades, balconies, archways, and circular windows. This castle was the Pegasus Hotel of its time. This structure was the largest building on the island when it was built. This impressive ruin is situated in the center of a large walled military quadrille. At the four corners of this enclosure, there are outbuildings which served as defense posts and underground slave quarters. The Colbeck Castle was built to be a key point in the defense of the island from the Spanish and the pirates. The Colbeck Castle gets its name from the colonial John Colbeck. He was the landowner and a man of great influence. Colonial Colbeck, he came to Jamaica in the 1655 as an officer of the invading force of Admiral Penn, and his service was rewarded with 1,340 acres of land here in St. Catherine. He was a distinguished soldier and a member of the Assembly of Speakers of the House of the Assembly. There's even a monument to John Colbeck at the Spanish Town Cathedral Church, on which is inscribed the words, "He died amidst great applause." So if you like the content, guys, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to see more tours of the beautiful country of Jamaica.